Hey mamas, it's your CajunStork here. I'm gonna be comparing the ovulation test to the pregnancy test of the same brand right here so you guys can get an idea of how they're different. I know you're probably asking like, are these things worth the money? They're so affordable. And the answer is yes. These are great products. They're very accurate. They're very easy to use. And I'm gonna go ahead and open these up and show you what's inside. So inside of the packet, you are going to find not only your ovulation or your pregnancy test, but in both packets, you are going to find this little silicone bag. You can go ahead and throw that because it's not relevant to what you're doing here at all. Now the ovulation test, I just used these for a previous video, so I'm gonna go ahead and show them to you. This is the ovulation test, and you know it's the ovulation test because it has the pink handle that says LH, not HCG. But otherwise, the test looks identical to the pregnancy test, which is this one right here. See that? See how this one's blue? And it says HCG on the handle. But another difference here is on the HCG test, you can see there is one line. By the way, I dipped this in mouthwash, not urine, and so obviously I am not pregnant, nor am I ovulating. So this would be a negative test, but that one line is your control line that lets you know that the test is functioning. Here is the LH, again, for ovulation. You actually can see two lines here because this is confirming that I am not ovulating. Now, the little colors on the handles are just simply that. It's just a little tiny handle so you can hold it here. You're going to be dipping them inside of, I would recommend a cup of urine instead of peeing on it because it's a little bit easier. And the little black lines here, they're just kind of like dipsticks. It tells you where to stop dipping it when you're dipping it so you don't go too far onto the test. And when I hold them sideways, again, you can see that these tests are identical. This is the test itself. It's slightly raised. These are the handles, and here is the flat portion where we get our test results. See that? So hopefully that helps you determine the difference between the HCG and the LH tests. Let me show you what they look like when they're dipped, just in case you were curious. Dipping them into all the way up to the black line and pulling them out, and there we go. If you're interested in those, you're going to want to go ahead and add them into your Amazon cart now. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.